Welcome back to my channel.
Can I get you a helicopter?
1 minute. When I reach to the helicopter, you can get. So
Okay.
drop your question so that.
And I'm going to get the helicopter for the Sanoop.
Okay.
Right?
Before the recording I stopped, I don't know, something went wrong. So let's start again.
Again.
Yeah.
Start again.
Start.
Alright, wait. I remember you were in that home, I guess.
What?
You're gonna come at home, right? The spawn point.
Yeah.
I wish this was like Minecraft. It's like box. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Go to the map. So now you zoom out. And now do you see this type of thing here?
Yeah. Wait. Don't do
In
anything.
the corner?
I
Yeah.
just put it here.
No, put it in the center.
Okay,
Alright.
fine.
Alright, so the fastest way to get there, do you have a parachute?
No.
Get it.
Parachute?
Yeah.
Where is it? I should be in
In lives, I guess.
items. This parachute?
I like this.
That's jet.
Alright, fine. Or I like this.
Bye.
Buy one. Man, you're rich, right? You like. Alright, first,
No, wait.
why did you go to the drop down menu?
But where is the parachute?
Parachute will be when you fly, alright?
Okay, first wait.
Go to the building which
No,
I just
it's a-
showed you.
Wait, I need to get a van. Coronavirus van.
Oh, do you know where it is?
Yeah.
Coronavirus. COVID-19. COVID-19. This is going to be the episode. Yeah, got ran out. Like, we were not able to view that last one which did not work properly. So this will be called as episode number 1.
No. Where's the police?
Did you something? Yeah, this is the correct way. Go back. I mean, go a bit back. I meant, where are we though? Yeah, can you go a bit back?
Wait, I should kick this because we'll get money.
How much? $7. That's it.
Oh my god.
What did we do? We didn't do anything.
Just stop hitting me.
You know what? You're gonna die. I'm pretty sure that. Get on the building quickly. I mean, not there directly. You're gonna die.
What?
I came here. This is the most restricted area in the whole wide world. Yeah, just shoot it there quickly. Stupid vans.
Yeah.
Now you go straight. No, up and straight. Oh, not like that. Wait. You Well,
You have an idea to get an helicopter.
I got it.
Who
What do you
shooting me? Who shooting me?
Wait, I'm gonna give you help. Wait, say stop.
Why?
You don't need help. You just need close video. Alright, I'm gonna do it for you this time. And watch and learn, kid. I mean, even though he's bigger than me, I'm gonna show you.
Hey!
For me.
I think you should go this side. I'll shoot Billing because that's. What?
I told you that. Kid. I mean, even though you're bigger than me, whatever. So click on that.
Well, finally, no. Oh, that was very fast.
So that's a place. So trust me, don't go there fast. You don't listen to me. Go on. See that? That's why. No. It's a shoot troop challenge. Alright, fine. You better listening to me, the noob or of Rope City or who wants to become the president. So that you're gonna die right now.
Yeah, no, I say no.
You don't know my tricks, kid.
Wait, bro.
I can easily get one. You don't have to even prove it. See that? Okay.
I
So-
just threw a bomb.
I'm gonna tell you why we need a parachute. Alright? Don't try it. You noob. We lost half. Now we're gonna not do it. For doing it, it takes another. Don't do it. Trust me. You don't want to do it. Great. Sucked up.
You!
It's fun to watch, but you're gonna die. You better die right now. You must be this. You're like wasting your money. It's like $1 million.
That's I don't want this bomb. I don't want this bomb.
And now you're gonna buy it and then you're gonna die. I'm pretty sure you're gonna die when I do it. So what did I say? You just die. Alright? Last time you just died. And I'm pretty sure there's a helipad somewhere right here. Even though I played this game like a ton of times. I mean like once and now you die. Now jump out. I'm pretty sure you don't want to risk it. Nope, you don't want. Are you gonna risk it?
No one is there.
But you're in half health. You're gonna die now. No offense. You're gonna die. Or maybe this game doesn't have any fall damage, which is the worst to do. Just kill a guy. Shoot him.
You literally police guy here.
Just throw a bomb at the police guy. Die right now. You don't want to risk it. That's the last. And obviously least. See, I told you.
I want to die. Can I die?
Yeah, die. Now you better listen to me and stop acting like a baby who knows everything.
Okay, fine.
Alright, so can I do it for you?
Can I pull this guy?
Pull it. But you're gonna die. I used to play with him actually. He's my imaginary friend. Even though I don't know him. Yeah. And this guy gets all the money.
Why did
He gives you some lucky draw cards, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Which you can even get the best stuff.
Bomb.
And you get money. I mean ammo. Trust me, you don't want to do this guy. No. He's Usain Bolt. I mean whatever that Colt is. Yay! He's really damn strong. You don't want to. Fine. You did it. And now, if he dies, the whole cop comes.
Oh, pigeons.
Fine, whatever. I'm gonna get you the helicopter. Whatever you want.
Really?
Yeah, it's all for you. It's free. You don't.
No.
Great.
Good, that's good.
Of course, this game doesn't have fall damage. Wait, you wanna play the world's hardest game?
Wait.
World's hardest.
Trade on dealers, ready. Huh?
Kill that guy. He's a bad guy. Yavish.
No.
Not your money. Really. I kill that guy. He's like that whole drugstore guy.
Then again, police will come.
No, he's a bad guy. See, I told you. They just do not know about it.
Police will come, bro.
But is it the matter you do the good stuff? Right? Don't hit back for the stupid XP. Run! We're doing the good stuff. This jelly.
What?
Imaginary jelly. See? Jelly shooting you there. Krena died just now.
What?
Cops, you know. Wait, get the police car right now.
No.
Trust me.
Again, I'll get killed.
Yavish, you're gonna die. Alright, whatever. No. Shit. This place again.
What do you mean this place?
I don't know which place, but I don't know. Some place. I don't know.
No.
You're gonna waste this stupid internet on this stupid thing. Alright. What is this? You're out of gas. Great, I have to go to that.
Shit.
I told you, this is not any good.
That's why I said to not to kill.
Not that. This is a public property. I'm hands up. What do you want to do? You just die.
Why did you kill that man?
I didn't kill him.
You said to kill him.
No, not like that. That's a president place.
What? But oh.
I told you that's not gonna be good.
No, that's cheating. What the?
What? I always troll him, you know, and get out from him.
No, but if you kill any person, police will come.
No, we did not kill.
If you kill a money guy also.
Did you kill the bunny guy? I told you.
I told you.
What did I do? Alright, this time can I play?
This makes me dying always.
Can I play at least now? I can get you.
Yeah.
Get the police car. Trust me. You can on the alarm. Now, people will think you're a police and will not attack you unless you're in the car. Till you're in the car. Maybe I don't know English if I'm wrong.
No. Nowhere to go. Yeah, right.
They became babies.
Should I go there next satellite?
Wait, first go to the map. So I'm pretty sure it's here, so put it here. No. Go. Wait, it's night. So you better go to midnight. You know what I mean? So no one is there, like very less people, and even the police will not be there. You know what? Police sleep, you know? Who does night vision? Like very less.
Is there police?
Yeah, like walk near the police, but nothing it does because they
If
think
you say any mistake, but I'll die once. So please, no. A moon.
you better go back to the police car. You trust me.
I'm just kicking.
No, don't do it, don't do it.
Nothing will happen.
Don't move it.
Please, miss.
They're gonna go die. See? Told you.
What? Money is there.
Yeah, money guy just saw you. And alright, slowly go in that place. Alright, they don't want to know you. Alright, slowly like a cop. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him.
How could I?
You should not get out of the car part. Then they can notice you.
No.
Shoot him, shoot him.
What do you mean shoot? I can't shoot from here. What are you, bro?
Alright, now you just have to pass through like you're not the thing, you know? You know what I mean? Now run, alright? Off the alarms already. Off it. Off the alarms, and now you're good to go.
Come on, Jasper, take.
You didn't do anything.
Ah.
Go like there's some normal theft going on. Yeah, I know that, sir. Sorry for slowing you down. No. We're gonna get you. Alright, switch off the alarms.
No.
No, just die like you're gonna die. So, mostly people lose you under bridges. So, this can be a good opportunity.
Police car coming.
Wait, your head is blue, so.
What that colorful?
No. Trust me, don't go on land.
Okay, fine. I'll just swim in water.
I'll let fire. It doesn't know. Go on the bridge.
Yes, I'll go here.
We're at the bridge. So now they're gonna not know you. See, for a second. Oh, great, right? How are they able to go on? Alright, never mind. They're gonna come in water and jump. See, they're gonna stop. Now look up. One car is out, and you're gonna shoot him till death. Do not do that, even though you had bullets.
No, I can't do that. What? Come on, you.
See, he died. And now,
Is he there still? Yeah.
he died. See that? That's a really good opportunity. Alright, now go back. Yeah, there's chances that you can even die. So now, in the bridge, from there you try to. No. Not on the land. He's dead. And now, see that?
fine if you're more.
See, I'm really pro. That proves that.
Oh my god.
Stop it already. Oh, okay, fine. It's better than nothing.